Hey guys. Alright, so I figured I'd show you guys a quick demo on how I lube linear switches. So these are some NovelKeys silks, the blacks, and I'm just going to lube and film them here. So I've got one left to go. As you can see, I've got most of them broken down and done here, but I've got one left. So I'll show you guys how I do that. So the first thing I'm going to want to do is lube the housing itself. Yeah, so the places I'm going to lube are here, these where the stem slides up and down. So I'm going to put a little bit of lube on my brush. When I say a little bit, I do mean very little. And then I'm going to lube here. I'm going to give it 2 swipes up in there with a number. This is a number 2 brush. Flip the brush around, 2 swipes up there. They fit nicely just in those stems. That's it. So now I'm going to place my switch film on there. I find it's easier to place my switch film on there now before I put the spring on and all that other stuff gets in the way. So I just kind of fit it over the switch. Okay, next up I'm going to pop a spring on there. So I grabbed a spring. Again, I'm trying not to touch it because these were tub lubed with 105 oil. So got my spring on there. Great. Now I'm going to do my stem. So places I want to lube on the stem, this will zoom in, is up here. Same on the opposite side, and the back on the legs. So spots where there's friction, right? Where it's going to be contact. So I'm just going to get, again, a very light little bit of lube, not a lot. I'm just going to do a couple passes up here. Should be good. Flip it around. A couple on the other side. Good. And then the back. That's it. So I'm hoping you can see how much is there. There's not a lot, like just very light. You don't need much, you really, really don't. So just gonna place that in there. Grab this, grab my top housing, and then you're just gonna fit it all back together. The only tricky part with films is getting them centered. So there you go, you just kind of work it on down. You see it's nice and centered. Good to go. That switch is good to go. Make sure you get it to pop in there too, like the little legs should be flush and in there. That should be it.